What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Jazz, and I'm back with another video. Today, we're doing a hair tutorial, you guys. Yes, a hair tutorial. We're doing this super affordable ponytail with these rubber band situation in the front and some cute little baby hairs. Did I say affordable? Super affordable. This whole entire look under $20. So yeah, guys, and it's easy. It's super easy. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, stay tuned. That hurt. Trying to be cute. Like, comment, and subscribe, and turn your post notification bells on if you want to see more hair tutorials, more makeup looks, more all this good affordable content I'm giving you guys. But yeah, guys, let's get into the hair video. So we're taking our comb and parting our hair in half. I took a few pieces out of the comb to make a precise parting tool. I found it easy to do this, part my hair this way, to help the cleaner and concise parts. Now, as you guys can see, my part is not exactly straight, but for this style, it's okay. You'll see at the end that that part will not even be seen. So now I'm taking my comb, I'm parting it down the middle. I use my brush to kind of clean up the part. And I'm going to go ahead and clip half of my hair up so we can have one section to work with at a time. So I'm taking my comb and I'm starting the area where I'm going to do my rubber band crossover situation. So I'm taking my comb and I'm trying to make my part as precise as possible. Take a little time with your parts, you guys, but it does not have to be exactly perfect. But as long as it's clean, you'll be okay. So I'm taking my comb again. I'm parting my hair in a smaller section, and here again I'm cleaning my parts up, trying to make sure that my part is clean. If you hear the fire alarm in the background, y'all, I need to change my battery, so excuse that. But I'm taking my Lotta body and I am saturating the hair with that. And I'm cleaning my part up again, and I'm taking my easy edge control. I'm gonna go ahead and saturate the hair with that. This also helps with clean parts. You're able to isolate the hair with the edge control. Also, this edge control, I love it, you guys. It does not flake up. It does not make my hair white. None of that. So I'm taking my edge control brush and I'm working that product in, swooping in, making it clean, finding the placement where I want to place my ponytail. So now I'm taking my rubber band and placing that ponytail, and I'm making sure it's secure and tight. Now, with that being said, you don't want this too tight. Sometimes I do make my hair too tight, but you don't want this too tight because you don't want this to tug on your edges. So this is how I'm looking right now. So I'm taking my Lotta body, whatever, and doing the exact same thing, taking the easy edge control, working that in the hair. I'm going to take my edge control brush and brush it in, and then place the ponytail. So we just do this throughout the front of my hair, you guys. I have my hair ponytailed up and parted, so now we're gonna get into the crossovers. So what I'm doing now, I'm gonna go ahead and push that other hair out of the way, and I'm going to prepare my hair to be attached to another ponytail. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the loader body and place that into the desired ponytail. This particular part of the video, you guys, this is all, whatever you want to do, that's what you do. I kind of play around and see where I want to place the hair. So yeah, guys, like this is freestyle. Whatever you want to do, that's what you do, and that's because that's what I did. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna see where I want to put the hair, and then I'm gonna go ahead and place it there with additional rubber band. I'm trying my best not to make my hair too tight, but I tend to do that sometimes by accident. But yeah, guys, do not make your hair too tight because you don't want to tug on it too much. My hair is saturated with like Blue Magic and all types of leave-in conditioner, but you still do not want to tug on your edges too much. So yeah, guys, I'm just looking for placement, and I'm gonna go ahead and attach that piece. So we have our crossovers all completed. So now it's time to tackle the back of our hair. So what we're going to do, I usually just hand part my hair, and I work in sections when I'm doing any type of smooth hairstyle. So I'm going to go ahead and tuck that other side away. I'm going to comb my hair out a little, and then I'm going to part it, and then tuck that section away, and I'm gonna go ahead and start working this section. So I'm taking my loader body, I'm gonna saturate the hair with that. I'm gonna take the Eco Style gel. I typically use the green top, but I didn't have that, so I'm gonna go ahead and saturate my hair with that. I'm gonna take a hard bristle brush, and I'm gonna smooth my hair up, you guys. So what I do, I smooth the section, and then I move on to the next section, do the exact same thing. Saturate the product in, take my hard bristle brush, and work the product in. I prefer to work in sections with my hair because that's the only way I'm able to get my hair as smooth as possible. So yeah, guys, I'm taking my scrunchie, and I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair in a ponytail. I am smoothing that back out again. I did put my hair in a bun for a reason. You'll see that when I place my ponytail on my hair. But yeah, I place it in a bun, and I kind of go ahead and clean that bun up just a little. But honestly, you guys, the bun will not show. It just only is going to help you anchor your ponytail to make it sit up. So yes, that's the bun. It's a little knot I got going on right now. So I'm still brushing and smoothing that back. This is how it looks. It's pretty smooth. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a blow dry and kind of dry those products down. I'm using Jamaican Bundle Hair. It's by Equal. I'm gonna put the information in the description box below. This is a synthetic hair. So you guys, this style won't last 2 weeks. Well, it could last 2 weeks if you take care of it, if you tie it up every night, but it's not human hair, so be mindful of that. But anyway, I'm taking that hair, and I'm gonna go ahead and wrap the ponytail around. I think everyone knows how to wrap a ponytail, but if you don't, Here's a quick little tutorial how to, but I'm taking that and wrapping around. But if you guys didn't see, I didn't start at the base. I started kind of in the middle of the bun, and then I started working it around, and at the end I ended at the base. But I started at the middle of the bun to give the ponytail a little height, because I want a big fluffy ponytail. So yeah guys, that's what I'm doing now. I'm just go ahead and pin that ponytail up. So this part of the video I call shaping a ponytail, you guys, because you're going to see me going back and forth with the scissors, with bobby pins, with hairspray, all that type of good stuff to shape the ponytail. And this is to your desired look. I like a big fluffy ponytail. I like big hair, period. So the bigger the ponytail, the better for me. So yeah guys, you see me taking the scissors, cutting a few layers. I just use like the downward cutting motion. I'm not a professional, so I can't teach you how to cut layers. This is just how I do it. So yeah, I got one side completed for the most part, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut those layers to this other side. Now you see me here teasing again. I spend a lot of time teasing this hair, you guys, because I want it to kind of stand up. And if it doesn't stand up or fluff out, I'm gonna use the word fluff out, I cut a few more layers. So now I have 3 braids. So what I did, I took some braiding hair and I went ahead and put a rubber band on it, and I used like a door knot and plaited the hair. And then I took a bobby pin and anchored the braid into the ponytail, and I just went ahead and wrapped it around. So I used 3 braids to do that, to kind of create a base, because I want this to be like a natural hairstyle. It doesn't have to be so smooth because you're working against your natural hair, but I do want it to be clean. So yeah you guys, so I'm taking my hairspray and I'm going around those braids with it to kind of seal the braids in. I'm gonna go ahead and use some of that hairspray on the ponytail as well. Now for the fun part is for the edges, you guys. So with edges, it's just basically you take the product. I use Lotta Body in the edge control. I love Lotta Body on my edges, you guys. It makes it the edge soft and not as hard. So yeah, I put that on and I just kind of take the comb and smooth with my hand and brush with the edge control. So it's simple, you guys. You just play around until you get them looking the way you want it to look, I guess. So I'm taking that Lotta Body and I'm going to go ahead and put that on the front of my hair. I'm just patting it on, smoothing out the frayed edges. I'm using a scarf to tie it down. If you have a silk scarf, that works better, but I didn't have one. So yeah guys, bam, this is the final look, you guys. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a big thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. Bye.